That's right, Peppa.
Dad, where did these bloodstains come from?
Mummy Pig, where are you? I'm coming. Are you okay?
Oh, thank you.
The zombies are getting bigger. We have to lock the door.
Here you go, baby.
I heard gunshots.
I shot the zombies. Dad, look, zombies.
It's getting dangerous out there. Oh no, they're everywhere. Run upstairs. Haha, losers! Oh no!
Where's your weapon, Dad?
I'm out of ammo.
Take!
What is it?
It's a diamond sword.
Okay. Wow, that's a great sword. Zombies, you're so weak. And who are you? Ouch!